Welcome to Weird Historian. These old photos capture real moments from the past. Strange, powerful, and often forgotten pieces of history that still speak to us today. A couple sharing a smoke, 1954. A gentleman gets his hair permed while reading the newspaper, 1925. A Hawaiian girl in downtown Manhattan, New York, 1947. A man wearing Oxford bags. Oxford bags were a loose-fitting, baggy form of trousers favoured by members of the University of Oxford, especially undergraduates, 1930. A model wearing a dress with a newspaper print design, 1974. A shaving apparatus used for trimming another man's beard with the help of mechanical hands, 1959. A swim instructor at a YWCA swimming class in Toronto, Canada, 1908. A toast to the bride, 1905. A woman stands before limestone cliffs in the Gaspe Peninsula, Quebec, September 1934. American couple in their one-room cabin, 1900. American soldiers comfort a little girl and her puppy after the invasion of Normandy, 1944. An elephant from the American vaudeville stage riding a specially constructed tricycle, 1918. Anne and her family lived alone on an island. She enjoyed having tea time with her friends, the spiny lobster and baby hawk, 1938. Arnold Schwarzenegger breaks the Bavarian stone lifting record, 254 kilos, in 1967. Ava Gardner feeding a rhino, 1952. Betty White and a primate sharing a friendly moment on a visit to the Detroit Zoological Park, 1957. Bolivian women check out the latest merchandise at a department store, August 1943. Bruce Lee and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, 1972. Building the original Batmobile, 1966. Burial at sea for the officers and men of the Essex-class aircraft carrier, who lost their lives when the carrier was hit by Japanese kamikaze aircraft during operations in the Philippines. Cat pushing cat in baby carriage, 1925. Confessional, Poland, 1964. During World War II, England faced a significant challenge with rat infestations, particularly in 1943. Emigrants coming to the land of promise, 1902. German soldiers working on a telephone line. Group of young women drinking and smoking at a slumber party, 1924. Hairdresser in New York, 1976. Humorous photo depicting a young woman being laced into a corset, 1900. In 1939, Albert Einstein was photographed with his stepdaughter, Margot Einstein, at the opening of the Jewish Pavilion at the World's Fair in Flushing Meadows, Queens. Margot was on his lap during the event. Jack London sets up some trick photography at Bohemian Grove on a rather disturbing theme. Japanese entertainer, 1890s. Jennifer Connelly and Ludo in Labyrinth, 1986. Little boys playing with a hand-drawn cart made out of a crate in the shallow waters of the River Thames, England, 1925. Mae West learning how to handle a gun after being held up, robbed, and sent death threats by gangsters, 1934. Man and woman fencing, 1910. Members of the Los Angeles Camera Club relax next to their bicycles on a dirt road, 1900. Model Frances Richards smokes a pack of cigarettes all on one cigarette holder, 1955. Muhammad Ali outside his home in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, 1971. The garage housing his Mustang Mach-1, Rolls-Royce convertible, and Cadillac. Newspaper boys playing pool in Boston, 1909. Porters helping holidaymakers with their luggage at Waterloo Station, London, 1913. Portraits of Native Americans in the late 19th century. Protective face mask and knee pads for playing basketball, 1927. Rare and controversial photograph from the mid-20th century capturing a moment between a woman and a primate during a public exhibition. Russian-born American actor Mr. Auer in the 1930s. The Dutchiest father of all time, 1966. The first television, Burgundy, France, 1963. This photo, taken by UK photographer Dennis Hutchinson, won first prize in an Easter egg head competition in 1980. Three professional cowgirls, Clyde Lindsay, Mildred Douglas, and Ruby Dickey, at the Miles City Roundup in Montana, 1917. Two Alaskan beauties show off their wares for the cameras, 1920s. Two beautiful cigarette girls working at a Florida club, 1956. Unique tea setting for two. Wartime gas line at a MoCo in Washington, D.C., 1942. Watching a solar eclipse from a rooftop in Rotterdam, Netherlands, 1912. When the first bananas came to Norway, 1905. Woman smoking hookah in Cairo, World War II. Workers in lab, 1910. Workman walking down a suspension chain on Tower Bridge during reconditioning work, 1928. World's largest ball player, 1908. Young Arizona girl doing the splits, 1915. Young Japanese girl poses with sacred snakes in a rare early 20th century ritual photograph. Young woman riding on the back of a turtle at Montrepos Beach near Bundaberg, 1930.